Alright, here's the plan. Zebra and Burrito go outside. When I free Toto Condom, you guys will hear shit going on, which means you come out and snipe.
Alright. Perfect.
What do Monrove and I do?
You two will grab the ghost and make sure they do not escape.
Great.
Alright, everyone get in your positions.
Here is the vacuum cleaner.
Thank you. Now everyone. Action.
Let's move out.
Toto Condom.
Bobster.
Bow chicka wow wow, bitches.
Ha 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 ha.
Goodbye.
What the hell?
Oh God. What happened?
Oh, my God, Toto Condom. You really let yourself go.
What? What the hell? Oh my God. What did the ghost did to me?
I do not know. But I feel weak.
Those ghosts are bad ass.
You think? I will contact the others.
Alright. Hurry.
Do not rush me. Wait, what is happening?
Bobster.